Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Camelia, the creator of WreathPurpose. Now I know it's been a while since I have uploaded a video, you guys, but I am back and I will be uploading more videos to come. So in today's video, I want to show you guys how I made this easy bunny wreath using products from Dollar Tree and Michaels. Now I know Easter is right around the corner, you guys, but this bunny can also be used as spring decor around your home. So I'm going to speed up this video and we're going to get right into it and I'll be back. Y'all enjoy. So I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. I just want to say that I really appreciate all of my subscribers, and for any one of you that are new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe and follow along with everyone else. So you guys, this wreath here, I am just adoring how those flowers look, especially those white tulips on this wreath form. I also like the fabric bow ears, the fabric ears. It kind of gives the wreath a vintage look, you guys. So make sure you watch until the end, because my favorite part was the bow that I put on the ears. To me, that was the finishing touch for this wreath as a whole. It's so cute. Like I said, you can use this, but this I'm sorry, you can use this wreath to put inside, outside, and it's good for spring. It doesn't matter if it's Easter or not, you guys. So make sure you watch to the end. So here is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video so far. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Also, let me know in the comments what you think about this DIY and if you're going to try it. See y'all in the next video. Have a nice day.